back. Monday morning here on Squawk Asia. We're talking to Michael about water just now. By some estimates, more than half the world's population is going to be facing a severe water shortage by 2050 if we continue using water at the rate we're using now. That is an alarming statistic and one that countries are taking heed of, but it's not without its challenges. CNBC's Sri Raja reports.
While a glass of water comes easy for some, for almost 2.4 billion people around the world, this is not the case. Even though 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered in water, less than 3% of that is fresh water. Pollution is rapidly reducing the amount of drinkable water, and there are also issues of getting water to where it's needed.
One of the key challenges in water is the availability of fresh, potable water itself. Another big challenge that you'd see is where the finances would come from is a major area. A third big challenge in water would be on the conservation aspect. Water very often gets wasted on the demand side.
Recent studies point out that water demand will exceed supply by 40% in the next 20 years. Already, large parts of Africa and South Asia face significant challenges in getting drinking water. Agriculture alone takes up 70% of available fresh water, and population growth will push this up further. Climate change is only exacerbating the situation. But amid the urgency to meet rapidly growing demand for water comes also a greater need to ensure methods used are sustainable. China, for one, has been widely criticised over its Three Gorges Dam and other projects for their impact on the environment. Countries like Canada, Iceland and Finland top the list, according to the World Water Forum, in terms of managing the environmental impact on water supply, as well as ensuring water efficiency. In the meantime, creating reservoirs in urban environments like the Marina Barrage over here in Singapore are an important first step towards sustainable water management. Experts say the private sector is the key to getting more water projects up and running, but costs and the uncertainty over return have proved prohibitive.
Water governance is a huge challenge, and because the water governance, in terms of political leadership, in terms of institutions not being well organized, there are huge risks for a private sector to come and invest into water.
But that attitude is slowly but surely changing. The global water industry is estimated to be worth around $316 billion, and exponential revenues enjoyed by successful companies are starting to attract more participants. Also catching on are changing attitudes towards water conservation, spurred on by the rising cost of water.
If cost is involved, water conservation would move a lot faster.
While that may seem like a small step, many experts say reducing wastage will go a long way towards filling those glasses. Sri Raja, CNBC, Singapore.
Former Brazilian food security minister